Welcome to Insight-Nexus-News. I'm Paul, bringing you this week's most crucial insights into Bitcoin. Current market overview. Bitcoin is currently trading at $105,268, reflecting a 0.53% decrease from the previous close. Today's price range has fluctuated between $103,907 and $105,983. Despite this slight dip, January has been a strong month for Bitcoin, posting a 12.1% increase, making it one of the best performing months in nearly a year. Analysts attribute this growth to rising institutional interest, increased ETF inflows, and macroeconomic trends favoring digital assets. Pros and cons of Bitcoin investment potential and risks. Bitcoin continues to be regarded as digital gold, offering a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Its scarcity model, fixed supply of 21 million coins, and increasing mainstream adoption reinforce its investment appeal. However, it remains a volatile asset, experiencing sharp price swings driven by regulatory developments, macroeconomic trends, and technological shifts in adjacent sectors. Recent market corrections have been influenced by external factors, including fluctuations in the Nasdaq and broader financial markets, signaling Bitcoin's increasing correlation with traditional assets. Social, environmental, and philosophical considerations. On a broader level, Bitcoin represents decentralized financial sovereignty, allowing individuals to control their wealth outside traditional banking systems. However, concerns over Bitcoin mining's environmental impact persist, with critics highlighting its high energy consumption. Advocates argue that the industry is shifting towards renewable energy solutions and more efficient mining technologies. Predictions and trends. Short-term, weeks, months. Historically, February has been one of Bitcoin's strongest months, with an average 16% gain. Given January's bullish momentum, analysts predict further price appreciation, provided regulatory developments remain favorable and ETF demand continues. Medium term, 1 to 3 years. Speculation continues about the U.S. government considering Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset, a move that could legitimize Bitcoin as a national store of value. If implemented, this could trigger mass adoption among institutional investors and corporations. Long term, 5+ years. Looking further ahead, some analysts predict that Bitcoin could reach $150,000 or higher by 2030. This projection is based on increasing adoption, supply scarcity due to halving events, and greater integration into financial markets. However, long-term growth will largely depend on global regulatory clarity, macroeconomic stability, and continued technological innovation. Key industry developments. Regulatory shifts. In a major policy update, the SEC has rescinded restrictive accounting guidelines, potentially encouraging banks to offer crypto-related services. This change could significantly increase Bitcoin's accessibility and institutional adoption. Technological advancements. The Bitcoin network continues to evolve, with Layer 2 scaling solutions, improved security measures, and advancements in decentralized finance, DeFi, expanding its use cases beyond a simple store of value. Final thoughts. Bitcoin remains one of the most closely watched assets in global finance. Whether as a speculative investment, hedge against inflation, or a decentralized financial revolution, its impact continues to grow. That's all for this week's Bitcoin Report. If you found this information valuable, like, subscribe, and share to stay ahead of the latest developments in the crypto world. For Insight Nexus News, I'm Paul. See you next week.